I am Krishnendu Mukherjee. I cleared CSIR UGC NET exam 2019 December with All India rank 74 in Life Science. Today onward, I just share experiences and 10 years CSIR UGC NET question paper and their solutions in my videos, in my coming videos today onwards, and that will help you a lot. And all the questions and answers, part B and part C, I'll just try to cover, and that will be just in my handwritten form, because I just prepared all the solutions in my handwritten form in my notebooks. I will share with you that one, all the part B questions and answers. My suggestions to you all, that don't confuse the right answers with wrong answers, okay? Because all the students, they are unable to clear the exam. Why? Because they always try to memorize all the options. That is the main problem. Because if you want to clear the exam, just eliminate out all the wrong answers. Don't memorize the wrong answers or wrong options. Never see that. Never see. Always try to remember and memorize all the right answers, okay? And like that way, I prepared my notes, all the solutions of previous year CSIR UGC NET question paper and the solutions in my handwritten form. I'll share that all. What you need to do, you need to memorize all the right answers, because in my solution notebooks, I just written all the right answers question wise. Question 1, question 2, question 3, like that way, all the right answer, right options. I never just mention any single wrong answer, because you know that if you try to memorize right answers all the time, then automatically in exam hall your mind will pick the right options. That is the main thing. And I know that is my experience. Students are always confused, are unable to clear the exams. Why? Because they are confused with all the options, right options and wrong options. So keep in your mind only right answers, okay? So today onward, I will just upload the videos where you will see all the right answers of 10 years question papers, means 20 papers, 20 CSIR UGC NET exam papers, part B and part C. All the question and their answer I will just try to upload, okay? And I written all the right answers, right options, all question wise, not any single wrong option, because I told you don't memorize the single wrong options, okay? So from today onwards, I'll share all the my hand prepared notes of solutions of each and every question of part B and part C. If you follow that, all the question, if you complete that, all the right options, if you memorize all the right options, only try to memorize right options and right answers, okay? Then it will definitely clear exam with good and best paid better rank, okay? See you. I'll just upload all the videos. Subscribe my channel, okay? See you.